What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar with C-Zar Gets Crypto, and my camera is lagging a little bit for some reason. I don't know why, but you can still hear me anyway. So shout out to the Dragon Rider, shout out to the Clan of the Dragon. We are going to make a very quick video today because nothing has happened. We're just moving sideways, same old that it's been since basically since the 23rd, no, I'm sorry, the 17th of July. Here we are on technically the 30th, but really it's the 29th where I am. Not doing anything, not doing a whole lot of nothing. You know, technically, if we look at this, I actually saw this earlier, and I think it's kind of interesting, kind of. On a small time frame, you know, I wouldn't put too much weight on it, but still, from bottom to top here, you bounced right off your 618. You know, you found resistance twice on your 236. Keep this in mind for any of you who are learning fibs. If you draw from bottom to top, let's act like this price action hasn't happened yet, and you see this, you see a tip up here on the 236, you see another one, you get two tips like this, you are very likely going to go to the 618 at a minimum. And you did actually at a very minimum. Generally, I would expect that you go through it with this kind of formation, but you know, doing something like this where you, I don't know why, man, my chin is itchy, I have no idea, it's this beard. If you guys see me itching my beard, rejected the 236, came down to the 618, and now you reject the 382, and then you break the 618. That is very common fib behavior. Just a little lesson in Fibonomics there. Which I do think we're finding resistance at the 382, but it is possible that we go higher. We're not seeing any volume come through, no follow through for this to like pump up at all. You know, we had more volume over here in this same price area. And this move was a lot bigger, right? This one's kind of bleeding. I do think we go lower inevitably. You guys know where I think it's going, right? Below 180, probably around 140 to 185, somewhere in there, 135 to 185 technically, but I have my buy order, my highest buy order set at 180. But looking at this thing on the RSI, we rejected the overbought zone, which is not a good look, right? Last time we did that, let's compare that right over here. Whenever you did that, you did drop. You came up inevitably and went higher, but it didn't really promote too much. You know, you kind of just had a fake out, whatever. And this price action, again, compared to this, it's a lot weaker. And if anything, you've got a lower high structure. You've got hidden bearish divergence. High here, higher high on the RSI, lower highs in the price. It's hidden bearish divergence. I would expect that we see bearish continuation. And being that, oh man, it's a new week. Oh no, it's not. It's Saturday. I forgot. Okay. I mean, technically now it's Sunday. So being that the week is almost over, I would expect that we don't move too much over the next day. It's probably going to be another boring day. And then, you know, maybe at the end of the day, maybe toward the end of the day, we get some kind of bearish action or bullish action, whatever. But I would expect next week to kick off price in the downside direction a little bit more than what we've seen the past 2 weeks at least. That's kind of probably more than what we've seen over this whole topping range. I bet we're going to see a little bit more resolve because this week, if it closes here or lower or even just a little bit higher, as long as it doesn't close green, we will be out of the overbought zone. And if you guys remember my video from last night talking about that, I think that's when we're going to see our move. I really do think that's when we're going to see our move. So that's all I got for you guys. Nothing new's really happened, you know. Looking at Bitcoin, BTC, USD, Bitcoin Cash's evil twin, or maybe Bitcoin Cash is the evil twin, and we're rooting for the back. I don't know, man. I don't play favorites one way or another. I like Bitcoin Cash more because I think it's going to have a better bull market. That's basically why I like it more. I like the community more too. You know, you guys are cool. I don't know, you Dragon Riders out there. I like Bitcoin though. I definitely like Bitcoin. I think it's I don't think it's going away at all personally, but who knows, man. It did bounce right off of its 382 here. And I think that's why we're finding some kind of support, resistance, whatever. But if you're looking here from top to bottom, we are resisting this 236 here. I would think that we want to see continuation to the downside. We're resisting previous areas of support, blah, 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 same old. And with Bitcoin going down, I would expect the rest of crypto to go down. But don't expect that all to happen today. It is the last day of the week. I bet we just kind of move sideways. We chill for another day, and then starting next week, we'll probably have our resolve begin again. So how much of a resolve will that be? I don't know. This is the biggest week we've seen on this whole top action, and that was only 2.5%. Could we see a 3% week next week? Maybe, but that's not going to be too dramatic. So for other cryptos, it might be. But anyways, this is a video about Bitcoin Cash, so let's end it there. With Bitcoin Cash, again, I don't think that we're going to do too much over the next 20 hours or so. I think that we're just going to probably do the same. Maybe we go up a little bit, maybe we go down a little bit. I doubt we break this higher low or lower high structure. We could break this higher low structure, it's possible. Maybe we come down and flirt with this low and close the day around here, something like that. Maybe we close the day around here, I don't know. Maybe we close it up here even, but I very much doubt that we break this higher or lower high structure, in my opinion. So take it for what it is. I could be wrong, I could be right, I don't know. It's going to be boring. It's going to be boring one way or another, whether it goes down or up. And maybe that's the kind of smack in the face to the universe that we need, right? I just need to say it's going to be boring for something exciting to happen. Prove me wrong. Let's go. Let me jinx it. Give us something exciting. You know, it's going to be the most boring day in the entire world. That's what's going to happen, right? You know? But no, I seriously do think it's going to be boring. So anyways, if you guys liked the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to see more, and I will see you guys on the next one. Sorry that price is being so boring and there's nothing more I can really provide other than that. So take care. Hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.